Bike didn't come with any keys. Old trick here, ignition feeler gauge. Uh, Using about a 19 thousandths blade in there. You're just going to stick it in the key there. I don't know if you can see that or not. Just going to stick it in all the way, jiggle it a little bit, turn. Yep. There we go, while we're waiting on an ignition switch. It works. Of course, we gotta drain the gas in this thing. Let me flip the key back off here. There we go. About a 19-20 thousandths feeler gauge. These are the little small thin ones. About the width of a key. Those will work. Alright. At least you know that, of course, the battery's dead. I don't know how long this thing's been sitting up in the salvage yard. But ain't no big deal. Charge the battery. Pop the carb off, clean it, drain the gas tank out. We should be good to go as far as running wise. I'm sure it ain't got no all oil's drained into the bottom end, but that's it. Front pipe is mashed up pretty good, so I'm gonna need a set of pipes for this thing. I don't care what they are, even stock, something. We'll figure something out. Start collecting parts for it, and we should be good to go. Alright, you guys take care. That's it for now. Wait for the boy to get off work because he wants to do most of the work to it. It's his bike. If you like my content, like, share, subscribe, all that jazz. We'll be going over this thing little by little.